Friends, people are often looking for some thrilling and different experiences in life. Some people find climbing Mount Everest thrilling, while others find bungee jumping. Similarly, some people find water sliding interesting. Although many people think that water sliding is a child's play, but for your knowledge, let me tell you that water sliding is not a child's play at all. There are many such water slides in the world where even the best of people sweat while sliding. Some of these slides are so dangerous that out of 20 riders who go to slide there, only one rider is able to muster the courage to slide, and there are some such slides where you have to slide with sharks. Now, sliding on such dangerous water slides is not a child's cup of tea. But yes, if you are courageous and want to have a thrilling experience through water sliding, then our today's video is for you only, because today we are going to tell you about the 7 most dangerous water slides in the world. So do watch the video till the end. The longest water slide in Malaysia. Friends, at number 7 comes the world's longest tube water slide. This water slide is located in Malaysia. Talking about its length, it is 3,645 feet long, which is approximately equal to 12 football grounds. It takes more than 4 minutes for the rider to complete such a long slide, but its thrilling experience is not in its length but in its sliding tube. Actually, this slide has been built on trees in the middle of the forest so that the rider can get the feel of the jungle while sliding, but this feel of greenery has often proved to be heavy for the rider. Whoever has experienced this water slide once will not be able to forget it for the rest of his life. Leap of faith. Friends, if you are not afraid of sliding from a long and high water slide, then this water slide is for you. Actually, the Leap of Faith water slide, which is located in Bahamas, gives you a chance to slide with a shark. Yes, you heard it right. With a live shark fish, but don't be afraid, this shark does not slide in your sliding tunnel. Rather, you see the shark swimming outside your sliding tunnel. Although a few years ago a shark tried to enter the sliding tunnel, but it was not successful in this attempt and died. But still you can go here for water sliding for your thrilling experience. Aquaconda Water Slide, Dubai. Friends, Aquaconda is the world's first dual slide with a slide water slide, which is present in Dubai. This water slide is so dangerous that not everyone is allowed to slide here. You must be physically fit to slide here. Not only this, even if you have a pre-medical history, you cannot slide here. Actually, Aquaconda is a 210-meter long and 25-meter high water slide, which rotates the rider at a speed of 35 kilometers per hour through its winding curves with many twists and turns, and finally leaves it in the pool with a vertical slide. This water slide is so dangerous that injuries have been happening here continuously for the last few years. Therefore, keeping safety measures in mind, some guidelines have also been kept for sliding here, which are necessary to follow. Scorpion Tail. If you can hold your breath in water, then this water slide is made for you. Scorpion Tail, which is located in Wisconsin, is one of the world's highest looping water slides. In this slide, first the rider is locked in a tube. After this, the attendant present there presses a button and the rider falls into the sliding tunnel, or rather starts sliding. But sliding here is not normal, because in this tunnel the rider gets to see more amount of water than other sliding tunnels, which is enough to hold his breath. And even if somehow the rider slides here, then this slide sends him into a 360 degrees loop, which makes even the bravest of riders dizzy. The 360-degree loop of this water slide makes it very terrifying for the rider. Kilimanjaro. Friends, Kilimanjaro, located in Brazil, is the world's longest drop slide, whose height is 164 feet. If compared to a normal building, its height is equal to a 17-story building. Now you yourself can imagine how thrilling it can be to slide from such a height. This slide is so dangerous that even the local people here cannot muster the courage to climb it. The reason for this is that to reach the top of the slide, first the rider has to climb 234 stairs, and after that, if someone has courage left, then he raises his hands after seeing the 60 degrees inclination of the slide. Although it takes only 5 seconds for the rider to complete the slide, but in these 5 seconds, his speed is 100 kilometers per hour, which plays an important role in making his experience thrilling. Perhaps this is the reason that after reaching the top of the slide, only one person out of 20 people is able to muster the courage to slide. Hillside Water Slide. Friends, Hillside Water Slide, which was recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records in 2008 as the world's longest mountain water slide. It is located in the city of Lishui in China. Talking about its length, this slide is about 8,933 feet long from the top of the mountain to the bottom. This slide has been built on the edge of the mountain, so that the rider can get a thrilling experience. This zigzag slide from the top of the mountain to the bottom increases the speed of the rider to 30 kilometers per hour, and if still someone does not find sliding on the mountain edge thrilling, then to increase its thrill, the last parts of the slide have been made of glass, sliding on which even the bravest of people get goosebumps. Tsunami Surge Chicago. Friends, this is the world's tallest water coaster slide, which was opened to the people on May 29, 2021, and if we talk about its height, it is 86 feet high and 950 feet long. When the rider slides from this height, his speed becomes 45 kilometers per hour, but here the thrill is not in the speed of the rider but in the slide. Actually, till now we have seen that all the water slides were making the rider slide from top to bottom, but this is not the case in Tsunami Surge. Actually, first the rider is made to slide down from a height of 86 feet, and then after some time this slide starts riding upwards. High-flow water jets have been installed in it to push the slide upwards. The slide going from bottom to top makes its experience thrilling, and to make the experience of the slide interesting along with the thrill, lighting effects have also been used inside the tunnel here. So friends, these were the 7 most dangerous water slides in the world. Which of these water slides did you find the most dangerous, and which water slide would you like to experience if you ever get a chance? Do tell us in the comment section. And if you liked the video, then like and share it, as well as subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that the upcoming videos can reach you easily. See you with another explosive video. Till then, take care of yourself.